Hey everyone, it's Megkline with Wishes Family Travel. I'm here at Disney's Art of Animation. I'm in room 9607. It's building 9 in the Little Mermaid room. This is a standard room with 2 queen beds. This room was just recently refurbished, so it's completely new. Everything is looking sparkling clean. It is a great theme. Such a fun area for the kids. I love the touches of the Little Mermaid. Here's your little seating area with a mirror. And then you have your storage in here. And then this actually opens up, and that's where your mini fridge is. So it looks like you're gonna have some drawers, but it's actually your mini fridge. And then you have your coffee maker here, TV here, lets you know what time the parks are open, what time it is, the weather. So this is a great feature to have. Our favorite is at night. The kids watch the bedtime stories on the TV, so we love that. There's a little hook here to hang. Your safe is over here. And then here's your bathroom. It has a sliding door. And look at that shower curtain. How cool. I love the tile. It has your Disney soaps, H2O. And then we are in a pool view room. So I'm gonna open up here just to show you the view. So you can see the view of the pool. If you've not stayed at Art of Animation, it obviously is a great resort for young children. They have the Disney theme in your face. There's the Little Mermaid pool, so we're gonna go hop in there. If you would like to plan a vacation to Walt Disney World, contact me at Megkline at wishesfamilytravel.com.